I think what the app does really well is at the top there's your little bar that tells you how your cleaning is progressing during the day. I think the cleaners really appreciate that visual cue about how much they've got left to do or how much they've completed and how they can see it at a real quick glance.
I like the maintenance feature, and like if something's broken, say a tap or a bed or something, it's like you just click on the maintenance app and away you go. Like take a photo of it, send it away, and then you're done.
The features I mostly like on the app is, especially when you're cleaning an infectious room, it always reminds you on what gowns to put on. You have to put on your gloves, you have to put on your goggles and the protection things that you have on.
So the progress report has been really great for us. It's a quick reference for us to check back throughout the day and see where our cleaners are at, where we're at with having the whole hospital cleaned.
So in a site this diverse, being able to have those visual aids and those visual run sheets has really helped people who perhaps English isn't their first language, or people that just need to refer back to something visual throughout their shift.
The infectious module that we have built into our iClean app system is one of the most powerful tools that we have, especially during these days where we need to be very, very sure when we are supposed to and not supposed to do infectious cleaning. It can be done at the operator interface, at the trolley, or it can be done within the clinical team within the actual facility itself. So it's a very powerful tool to make sure that we get our infectious cleans right and correct, and that we actually document everything that we do.